Hey, what's up peeps? It's your boy Sam, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this Marvel theme iOS iPhone homepage. If you don't know, with the release of iOS 14, now you're able to customize and personalize your iPhone homepage just like this. Basically, you're able to add things such as widgets and also your own application icons. Now, if you like this kind of video, this is my very first video, guys, so please do leave a like, subscribe, it really helps. And also let me know in the comments down below if you want me to create a different sort of themed iPhone homepage. All right, let's do this. All right, so the very first thing you need to do is go to the description of this video and click on the very first link. It will bring you to this website. Click on download images. You're basically going to download all the images that we need for this project. It basically contains all the icons, as you can see on the screen right here, and also it contains all the images that we need as well. Alright, so we've downloaded all the images. As you can see, all these icons have a black background, okay? The reason for that, actually this one has a grey one, but the most of them have black background because on the home page we've set the wallpaper to be black so that the black sort of blends in with the black wallpaper background and makes the icon sort of look really cool, like they don't have a background. So yeah, that's how we kind of have that really cool effect because of that. So that's what we're going to do next. We're going to set the background to be black. So go to settings and go to wallpaper. Choose a new wallpaper and then select the black background right here. Okay, you can just set it to home. Okay, now that you've set your background to be black, we need to download all the apps that we need. So we need 3 apps for this. So go to App Store. And the first one is called Shortcuts. So just go ahead and download that one. And if you go to search and type widgets, the second app that we need is called Photo Widget. Just go ahead and download that. And the third one is called Color Widgets. So just go ahead and download that one as well. All right, the first app that we're going to work with is called the Color Widgets. It's basically a little box with all the information that you need, like time, dates, and also your battery level as well. So we have all these different sort of styles, widgets here, but the one we're going to use today is this one right here. So just go ahead and click on that, and then click on Edit Widgets to edit it. Okay, now just scroll down. We're going to change the image, so click on Add Photos, and hopefully you've transferred all the photos from your desktop to your mobile. We're going to select this one, the Iron Man, right here. Okay, now we've got all these different sizes here. We're not going to worry about that right now. Just going to go ahead and click on Set Widget. Once you've done that, you want to go back to your home page. Click on any app. Just click and hold on any app, and then click on Edit Home Screen. After that, click on this plus sign, and then you want to search color widgets. Click on color widgets, and then we have different sizes here. But for this one, we're going to click on this size right here, and there we go. We've got the little widgets on the side here. We've done that bit now. All right, next we're gonna open another app called Photo Widgets. Now this is basically the same as that one, but the only difference is this is just gonna be a photo, okay? So this is basically just for aesthetics, really, just to make it look really cool. Nice, so we're just gonna go ahead, once we're on the app, we're gonna go ahead and click on that plus sign right there, and we're gonna select this image right here. So yeah, just go ahead and click on that, and then go back to homepage again. Once you've done that, and the same thing, hold, hit the plus sign, find Photo Widgets, click on it, and then basically choose a size. So we're going to go with this size for this demonstration. And there you go. Just drag that. I'm going to place it right here. Okay, so that's done with all the widgets. Now we're going to go ahead and then customize all the application sort of artwork and give them like different icons to make them like really cool. Okay, up next we're going to open a app called Shortcuts. Now basically this app does not change the artwork of your original apps. It creates a duplicate of that, like a copy of that app, and then you can change the artwork on that copy basically. So once you're on the app, just go ahead and click on this plus sign right here on the top right corner. And then go ahead and click on Add Action. And then you want to search for Open Apps. click on Open Apps, and then click on Choose. And then now you want to click on an application that you want to make a copy of, basically. So for this example, I'm going to click on clock. So I'm going to search for clocks. All right, once you click on clock, now click on the 3 dots on the top right corner. And then click on Add to Home Page. Click on the little icon and choose Photo. Now, for the clock one, I have used this Iron Man right here. Okay, just go ahead and click on that and click on Choose. And then change the name. Don't forget to change the name, okay, on this step right here. So just click on that right there and then change the name to clock or whatever you want, time or whatever you want to call it. And then click on that. Next, put the name and then hit done, and then you're done. Once you've done that, it will appear on your home page. Just keep clicking on it until you get these options and click on Edit Home Page. And it will start wiggling basically. And again, just drag it to your wherever you want to place it basically. As you can see, there's a copy. It's a copy of this clock application right there. So you want to go ahead and move that clock to somewhere else, make a folder, and just put it in there somewhere. That's it. That's how you create sort of like your customized application artwork. So yeah, just go ahead and repeat that process to create all the applications. I'll put it on the screen right here of all the applications. Read the name of the application below and the artwork, sort of match it to which one it is. And yeah, once you've done that, it will look like this basically. Also, don't forget to change the phones, the Safari and that bit as well. Okay, so hopefully that was really helpful for you guys. Please let me know in the comments down below if you're confused with anything, if you've got any questions, and also if you want me to create another sort of like different kind of theme, maybe Disney or something like that. Just leave it down in the comment down below. And also guys, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe as well, because it really helps. All right, my name is Sam and I'll see you later.